Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If I may say, it's a very beautiful morning today, and yes, I just want to show you guys update from yesterday. Today is the day one of the skin tag removal kidney. Yes, you guys knew what happened. It wasn't I didn't remove everything because I had quite of them on my skin. I gave you guys a little bit of rundown from it. I never had it before. I started developing it when I had my daughter. That was when I started developing it. And after I had my son, he added more. And I couldn't leave it because for me, it's very irritating. Some people said it's okay. They don't mind. But me, I mind. So I'll show you guys today what it really looks like. I'll show you guys today what it really looks like. Though I was advised to always make that place moisturized, not dry. So I'll show you guys now. So guys, so see, just gonna show you guys. So this is it, because first of all we decided to do a very small portion of the skin. Yeah, this is what it looks like now, but I'm gonna moisturize it now as well. And this is one she did on my face. I don't know, I'm gonna moisturize both of them right now. I'm gonna moisturize all those places, also my face, other area. Yeah, so it doesn't even if it's drying up and falling, it dries out and falls swiftly. Again,
I want to stop.
which are again? Can you draw? Okay. So guys, you guys saw what I showed you guys already now. So that's basically how it looks now. This is the day 2. For me, it's not bad being the day 2. This is what it's supposed to look like, I guess. Man, winter is very winter has started. I don't know. My sleep has started drying. I'll use something on it right now. So guys, this is it, and on the second day I'm going to show you guys again what it looks like. Okay, if I have anything to show you guys today, I'll also show you guys. Okay, stay tuned. Hi guys, so today is the second day after the skin tag removal thing. So this is what it looks like now. It was black on the mouth before, but now it's red. That's because I'm fair, I guess. So today is like the 4th day. After the 4th day I filmed this video. Today is the 4th day. I didn't have time to do the 2nd and the 3rd day, what it looks like. So this is it here, and this is not all that I have. This is part of what I have, but we're using this part as testosterone. If it goes well, then we do other parts. Do you understand? I have it on my face as well. If you look at my face very closely, you see I have it here. Yes, I have it. This was the wrong one I did that gave me a scar here. I don't know if this scar is gonna go out anytime soon. And I did here as testosterone, I did here as testosterone, and I did here as testosterone. Don't mind me, it's shiny because I used Vaseline on it. Usually, yeah, it's always okay to use Vaseline on it so that it doesn't dry off and heal it properly. This place and this place is just the same like the other side. I had scar. I also had it removed in a very wrong way. I'm still going to tell you guys the story one day. This is not the video. So but this one's here are just the acne scars that I have. I have a new thing that was prescribed by the dermatologist for me to use, but I don't want to use it right now. I want to just wait and heal these things first before I try it out. So guys, this is what it's like right now. I just decided to pick this camera and tell you guys this. I'm not filming today basically. Just want to tell you guys this thing, and I don't know. I even have some YouTube videos to do. YouTube video topics to do today. I don't know if you guys will do it with me. Okay, let's see. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, Ciao, ciao. So guys, this is where the thing is right now. I think with time it's gonna fade off more, and I still have to go and take these ones out as well. You know, it's been long. I showed you guys how this thing looks like, what this eye looks like actually. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is like a vlog. It's a pity that I was supposed to start this video. I was supposed to give you guys updates from time to time on the stages I have gone in removing my skin tag. But the thing is that it was a little bit difficult to always vlog every day, you know, having kids and all. But again, the reason for it, sorry if you're hearing noise at the background, my kids are around, it's weekend, and they wouldn't stop banging on the door, okay? So this is it. You might be wondering why it's so shiny like this. This is because I applied Vaseline on it, because I went again yesterday to get some of the other ones that are there, because we did test run with the other one I showed you guys. So I went yesterday to get the other ones list. So you can see it's still very fresh. I applied let me bring this thing closer, maybe whether you guys can see. Sorry, hold on, let me know if I can bring it a little bit closer. I don't know, this is the closest I can do it. So you see, I just recently did this ones, and it's still kind of windy, if I say. I also removed some hair and hair. My face is kind of a bit spotty right now because I have been trying to remove these things, but after this stage I actually know what to do on my face, so just calm down. So this is just the ones I did remove the other day. You see the shiny part of my face are the places where I had to, you know, do it. I applied this oil on it so that it doesn't get kind of rusty and difficulty inhaling back, as I was told. I don't know. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, the last video which I'm going to join on this video will probably show you guys the last time I vlog the one I did to test run. These heavy dark spots here are the first one I did, but it's called freezing method, and that one actually gave me a pigmentation scar, which made me to stop going there. I told you guys before I started going to another dermatologist, who actually told me that the freezing type is not good for that skin because it kind of reduces our melanin and gives us pigmentation scar. But thank God, and gives us pigmentation scar. But thank God I didn't continue with it. So guys, this is just it, and I'll try to give you guys update from time to time what my skin looks like. I'll try very much. It's not easy to always give everyday update on things like this, but I'm gonna try very well, no matter how little it is. So guys, this is basically it. I don't know, they said they're in vlogmas and they're doing vlogmas, right? Vlogmas, right? But your girl hair, they said they're doing vlogmas, right? But your girl hair has been doing vlogmas for the past 3 months now. No, going to 3 months. January is gonna make it 3 months. On this channel I post video every blessed day. Every blessed day I put out content. It's not easy, but I do that. But I'm gonna take my holiday very soon, because I plan on doing this till January, and maybe by February I start posting 3 times in a week, because you cannot beat this YouTube algorithm. You can't beat it, that's just the thing. So I'm just gonna reduce my presence maybe in February and start posting 3 times a week. And by the way, I noticed that you guys love my vlogs more than the actual teaching I put out. I get it. Nobody likes to read, I understand. So I see that my vlogs, and that was the reason why I brought vlogs on this channel. Remember I said from time to time I bring up vlog just to spice this channel a little bit. So it's not when you see my video you're kind of this lady has come again. Why I said this is because the dentist, the wisdom tooth remover I put up, I check my performance within 48 to 72 hours, even though I don't have much view, right? But I still check how it performs, and I see that that one actually performed very well within 72 hours, even though it was performance I mean was about 40 views or 35 views. I don't have much views right now because I'm a small YouTuber, and my channel has not hit that place it's supposed to hit on the YouTube platform that you see people blue. But nevertheless, I love what I'm doing. Like I told you guys, that's the consistency behind what I'm doing, because I love what I'm doing. I told people that if you don't love bringing out content, you cannot stand the fate of YouTube, because it's not something that just comes and everywhere is glittering. No, it's patience and loving what you're doing as well. So, but that is not it, guys. It's just okay. I'll still be putting out vlogs, not every day, because this channel is not a vlog channel, but I just bring those vlogs just to spice up my channel a little bit, so you don't, you know, you don't get overwhelmed with my teaching and everything. So that is it, guys. Vlogmas, vlogmas, vlogmas. So girl here has been doing vlogmas for a very long time. Vlogmas is posting videos every blessed day and being consistent, and that is what I've been doing. That is why in this month of December I'm not even tagging my videos vlogmas, because naturally I've been vlogmasing. This see, so there's no need of tagging my video vlogmas. So that is it, guys. I'll try as much as possible to know if I can show you guys the progress of this skin tag, which is, some people say they like it, it's like freckles, they enjoy it. I don't enjoy it because I started having it when I started having kids. My first child, they came out small. Second child, this is how it kept on developing, tiny like rashes. But the thing is that don't like it. I don't like it. It gives me headache. You know, it gives me headache. I can use my last money, my last savings to then get all these things off. So I know that they say I'm gonna have scarring even on these ones I did, but I sure know that it's gonna clear. It's not gonna be as bad as this one hair that I did when I did this freezing method. I know it's definitely not gonna be as bad as that, but I'm not even much concerned, because I'm just like waiting for when I don't see the skin tag again on my skin, then I face the scars and the dark spots, because I know surely something will get it off. You get. So, but the most important thing is to get off the tags, and when we get to that stage, after the tags are over, we'll fight the spots and the scars. Also, guys, my battery is going down right now. I'm going to charge it up and continue this video. That's basically what I have to say, and this is just it. I'll see you guys when I've charged this battery a little bit. Guys, watch my videos, share. If you already subscribe to my channel, I love you so much. Just help me share my videos as well, so other people can see what this channel is all about. My son just came very close to the door, put his mouth under the door. You know that hole under the door? That's where he's shouting for, because he's hearing my voice. He's like, where the hell is this woman? Why am I hearing her voice and she's not out here? These kids, they're terrible. Usually I learn to shoot videos when they're not in the house, when they're at school. But it's weekend, I have to drop this. If I don't drop this here, it's gonna keep lingering, just like the way it lingered. And the other update of the skin tag was not shown, which I'm gonna put at the beginning of this video, okay? So I'll see you guys when I've charged the battery of this camera. Thank you. Hi guys, this video is after that last time I did that one, that's this very last one you just saw now. Let me just put it that way. And I've been so busy, trust me guys, I've been so busy. Doing vlog is not a joke. Like keeping updates each time with like follow-up videos, like day to day, as regards to what I went to do the other time that you guys know already. So today is another video, and I told you guys that after that day, that video you guys saw was the very day I did it, like the next day in the morning. But this is about, I did this one was on the 25th, huh? Was it on the 25th I went? This is about how many days now after the last? This is about I think that video I did the last time was what was the date again? I think it was 17, no 16. It was 16. And today's date is 22. So after that 17, I showed that 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this is 5 days later, and we're going to see the progress right now. Guys, I have so many things going on my face, but I'm not bothered a bit right now, because I just feel when I'm done treating this tag thing, then I'll face the scars I have on my face and the high pigmentation. People keep saying my nose, I look pregnant because of my nose. Like, I'm not, no. I will be, but not now, okay? So you guys should not bother yourself about that. Or maybe the people that used to count pregnancy can start counting it for me. So usually, what I do to help this skin tag, maybe I have to just remove this. I just took off my polo so it will be a bit, yes. So let me zoom this thing a bit closer. This is quite close now, okay? So this is it, guys. I'm still zooming it. So this is it, guys. Sorry if you're seeing some things. So So this is it, guys. This is the zooming thing. Sorry for my eyes. My children see these kids, they go to school and they come back with different things. So what they gave me now is red eye. Yeah, I mean it's very strong. Since they've been coming back, I've not gotten anything from them, but this time around they were able to give me something. So you can see those ones that were around here. They are in healing process. See, guys, they are healing. See, it's a pity this was the one I got from the silly human being that did the freezing method. This is the sky he gave me here. I don't know if this sky is gonna go. Then I think this one has not fallen off entirely. Then this one, here, and this one here, we will still do it again. Guys, this is one I've not had my bath, so we'll still do these ones again because we didn't get to do them. See my skin imperfections here. Used to be very clear, but look at how it is now. These ones are from the freezing method I did to remove the skin tag. You see, let's take this a notch down. So come a bit closer. So let's go to my next side. So guys, this is my next side. This is what my next side looks like. These ones are the freezing method I did from that silly woman. Yes, so it is what it is. From the freezing method I did from that silly woman. But this other laser method I did, you see, they are going, but I don't want to scrape them off. I want to leave them for them to fall off on their own. Yes, and usually, see, this one has refused to fall off. This camera only recognizes face, but this is it. This is it. They're all gonna fall off. This is from the freezing method. This very ones you're seeing is freezing method. It's crazy. I showed you guys a very clear video of what you need to see. So what I usually do to just help the area, though I don't have to use my hand to start scraping them off, which will even give me more pigmentation. What I do is that in between, if I've not had my, let's say I've had my bath and I want to moisturize in the afternoon, I use cotton pad and with my cellular water, I just clean the area very well. I've finished cleaning the area very well. What I do is I get my Vaseline, just pure Vaseline, very regular Vaseline, you know, and I rub it on them just to moisturize them, because when they are moisturized, the dryness at the tip of the mouth of the places that were laced, the laces were used on, they get softer and those black things fall off. I don't have to use my hand to peel them off. So this is what I do to moisturize them. Vaseline is the, forget it's cheap, but it's the real deal. So the same thing I do on my face, those places, but my face part, for as long as I know, they are falling off. So there's nothing special I'm doing on my face for it to fall off right now, because they're all falling off. Yeah, they're all falling off. Please guys, recommend if you know anything I can use for these scars, just tell me and I go buy them. So that's the same thing I did down. You see the same thing I do at the upper part when the upper part was still dry and not falling off. This is something I do. I just go there and I rub them on the areas where I think needs to, like this place, here there's something there, but it's not going off yet because it's not moisturized. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys the stage I'm in right now. I don't know where I'm bringing up this camera to do this particular update. So that is it. So I think on my face, the two places I still have concern on my face is here, this one here, and this one here, which when I have next appointment, whenever it is, should get them removed as well. I just wish she was the one that did these ones for me. I just wished she was the one that did them. It shouldn't have been so obvious like that, like skin acne spots. So this is just it, guys. And when this one's finished going, I think I have an appointment with her in about 2 months time. When this one's finished going, then we know elsewhere that it is remaining. All this acne that are come on my face freshly is because my period is about to come. It's a pity. This is what we fight. So guys, I'll be ending this video now. This is just the updates I came to give you guys before I carry on with my morning routine, have my bath, and get some things sorted out today. So let me not get this video so long, though it's long already, but see what it is. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hi guys. Hi guys, it's been a long time, long time. I was supposed to give you guys updates on this my skin tag removal thing that I did, but to be sincere, I was not. I had so many things doing. The last time I did this video was, I think, I don't know, to be sincere, maybe like a week ago. I don't know, to be sincere, I don't know the lie. So this is like the last updates I'm gonna give before I finally go for my third appointment. I think I have 3 sections. The first section was the time we tested some area to know if it's something that was doable, and the second time was really doing very much part of them, and the third time is this very one I'm trying to go. And after this one, I'm not going to go again because trust me, they cost money. Each section costs money. I don't want to mention the amount here. You can go to your area and find a dermatologist and they will give you their costs as well. So now I want to show you guys how it's looking finally. The last appointment I went on was in December 17th. Yeah, December 17th, if I must say, was my last appointment. And today, which is the second section, and today is I think today is probably 28th, if I'm very correct. I'll check and I'll leave it here. We're gonna see the progress, how everything is. I'm gonna zoom this camera a little bit so we can see what it is. So this is the closeness of my face. If you look at this section, you see that yes, these are the parts that the skin tags were removed. This is going to remove in the last section I'm going to go, and this apparently too is going to be removed in the last section. The reason why it was not removed was because she was scared of getting to this place, but when I go to this last section, we'll find a way to do it. That is the truth about it. And this was the one I did the last time. You can see this one is, the scar here is fading more. I think with overtime it's going to fade drastically. That's why I'm not much concerned. This very obvious one was a very wrong decision I did. This was the freezing method. Please, I advise you guys, don't go for freezing method if you're trying to remove your acne, especially for black skin color. I don't think freezing method is for us. You can see this very obvious marks I have here. This is the freezing method that gave it to me. You can see this very obvious mark here. You can see them here. It's the freezing method that gave it to me, which I don't even know how that mark is gonna go, because just looking like it's a scar, but the pigmentation is too dark. I don't know how it's gonna just fade. I don't know, because I think I have a very strong before, when things happen to me on my face, it usually leaves very fast, but these days when I have spots, it's very hard for it to go. I don't know. Sorry guys, this is morning and I've not had my bath, so ignore. So coming to the neck part, which I'm going to show you guys right now. I don't know, just relax. Any dark mark you're seeing is from the freezing method, like this one, this one, this one, this one. This thing is from the freezing method. The other one, you barely see them. You see, you barely see those scars. You barely see them, like you barely see them. I think we're still gonna burn this one because it didn't really move entirely. Then part of this one, we're still gonna take them off. My legs, in the last section I'm gonna go. Yeah. So guys, I've basically shown you guys what it looks like at the moment. I just believe that with time the scars are gonna fade drastically. I don't know about this one that I did with freezing method, how drastic it's gonna fade. I'm not very sure because of the kind of pigmentation it gave me there. But possibly if I see something that is stronger pigmented, maybe it can work on it. But now I've not seen anything at the moment. Do you understand? So you can see, you even barely see the scars on my neck, you barely see them, but this very dark one, it's very obvious. Yes, thank God I didn't go through with that anymore. So guys, this is actually the update since I started on this my skin tag journey. I'm going to edit all of them together and post it, so that the last one I'm going to show you guys will be the last session of my skin tag removal. After then I wouldn't have to go for skin tag anything again. And I'm thinking of getting the pen, because since I saw so many YouTube videos where they were using the pen actually, so I'm thinking about getting the pen since I'm prone to this. Nobody in my family has it, but since I in particular is prone to this, maybe I probably just get the pen and leave it at home, and anytime it comes out I just use my hand and lace it. So I'm thinking about that as well, because I've seen the way the woman was storing it. Anyways, though we were asked not to do it ourselves, but I don't know the difference of what she's doing and what I'm gonna do at home if I'm very much careful and I have my disinfectants infected that area before starting the procedure. So I don't know anyways, but this is just it basically. Thank you, and I hope you're enjoying your Christmas. Today is 28th of December, and soon we'll be entering the new year. Hope you've had a new year resolutions. Hope, yes, just write down a new year resolution, hope for the best, be optimistic, and everything is gonna fall in place. Okay, I'll see you guys of course in my next video. This month of January I plan being consistent, posting video every day as well, but in the month of February I'm going to reduce my consistency. That is not because I'm busy or anything, but I just feel like let me just reduce it. I don't know, that's what I just feel. So I just start posting 3 times in a week, because every day I was posting, I thought for 3 months posting every day there was going to be something drastic on my channel. Maybe the algorithm is going to see my channel what's. So I might as well start posting 3 times in a week, just Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday, and I think it's much better that way. And I'll try that method for like 3 months again, and I'll see how it goes. If it doesn't favor me, I start to 2 times in a week. Yes. What do I lose? 2 times in a week, each video 20 minutes or 25 minutes video, and we are good to go. Thank you guys. Hope you're not looking at my hair. This is just morning. Please ignore our errors. Thank you guys. I'm saying it again. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Happy New Year. See you all guys. See all of you in my new year, okay?